I can't tell you how important it is to water your lawn during installation and afterwards to get it properly established. For every couple hundred square feet, give your sod a water break. With a hose, lightly water to prevent wilting or heat loss. Be strategic about it because you don't want to water the dirt that isn't sodded yet. Think for a moment what a muddy mess that would be. Plus, this will give you time to stretch and survey the work you've done. Once that gorgeous lawn has been installed, we need to remember turf and soil have a symbiotic relationship because both are living organisms, and in order for lawn genocide not to happen, we need to follow the 7-3-2-1 watering guide after the sod has been installed. For the first 7 days, you water 3 times a day at 7 a.m., 11 a.m., and 2 p.m. For the next 7 days, you water 2 times a day at 7 a.m. and 2 p.m. For the final 7 days, you water once a day at 7 a.m. After that, your lawn is established and it only needs about 1¼ inches of water per week.